You've probably noticed people around you sniffling, sneezing, and coughing, or even worse.
A whole lot of that. Doctors in the East say among all the respiratory illnesses they're seeing this season, the flu is causing more hospitalizations. Celeste Ford is live in Greenville after getting reaction from residents and speaking with the healthcare professional. Celeste?
Dave and Courtney, as Zach just mentioned, it's cold out here and winter weather is in full effect. So it's no surprise a new report shows a surge in flu admissions in our state. According to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, high volumes of people are being seen in hospital emergency rooms with respiratory illness symptoms across the state. ECU Health Associate Medical Director of Infection Prevention, Dr. Ryan Gallagher, says among those patients, record numbers are being admitted after being diagnosed with the flu.
With the addition that there's still other respiratory viruses, flu is the leading bad guy right now, but there are other viruses like COVID and RSV that are still getting people sick to have to go to the ER and admitted to. But right now, flu is taking the cake.
The data shows ER visits with respiratory virus symptoms increased from 21.8% the week before to 22.4% last week. And hospital admissions jumped from 710 for COVID-19 and 722 for the flu the week before to 923 for COVID-19 and 1,055 for the flu last week. David Bullock says he's not surprised by the increase and blames the problem on a lack of concern.
When people get the flu, a lot of times they're still attending work in public environments. They're not masking up, so they're not taking the proper precaution to prevent the spread of the flu.
Gallagher says in addition to practicing good hygiene and social distancing, people should also get up to date on their shots.
Now, some people might say, well, gosh, I heard somebody say that they got the vaccine and they still got COVID or flu. And that's true. It's possible to still get the virus if you get the vaccines. But here's the good news. The vaccines always help you in terms of blunting the severity of the infections.
And health officials say people with mild flu symptoms should seek treatment from their regular health care provider instead of going to the emergency room. Reporting live in Greenville, Celeste Ford, WITN News.
All right, thanks, Celeste. And Dr. Gallagher says to prevent respiratory illnesses, everyone should practice the 3 W's. Wash your hands, wear a mask, and watch your distance.